Hello students. Now in this session we are going to discuss about this SBI clerk mains 14668. What is the number here? 14668 is the number. Now question numbers 141 onwards. 141 to 190. All together there are some 50 questions under this one SBI clerk mains, and 141 to 190 reasoning section. Then coming to this one, question numbers 141 to 145. What is the information here? There are 8 friends. Who are those 8 friends? Harita, Srinu, Hardik, and Shruti, Vimala, Krish, Simran, and Roman are the 8 persons are in 2 parallel lines and sitting opposite or behind to each other, but not facing each other, and not facing the same direction. And no 2 boys are sitting each other. Now here one information should clearly be given. A information involved Japandi. Now who are the boys and who are the girls? And so all information involved. Information involved. Now according to the name we are not supposed to take the gender of any person. Okay? Name but male or female man determine cheyakoodu. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఇంకో ఆప్షన్ లేదు కాబట్టి we are going for this one. But in general we need to have that information. Who are the boys and who are the girls? Boys ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి. Srinu, and now this person is a boy and Hardik is a boy. In general that information should be given, isn't it? Now as it is not given we cannot leave the question, and this is the reason why we are assuming these 4 persons are the boys. Krish and Roman. వీళ్ళు నలుగురిని బాయ్స్ అనుకోండి. Then who are the girls here? The remaining 4 persons are girls, and they are Harita. Harita is one, and Simran, Harita and Simran, Shruti, Harita, Shruti, Simran, and is there anyone else? Simran and Shruti, Vimala. Vimala is another one. Now these are the 4 boys and 5, and 4 girls were there, and no 2 boys are sitting each other. That means no 2 boys are sitting adjacent to each other. Either boys kuda pakka pakkana aithe le. Now coming to this one, Shruti is sitting behind the one who is sitting to the immediate left of the one who is sitting behind Harita. Hardik is sitting second to the left of the one who is sitting behind the one who is sitting to the immediate right of Krish. Shruti is not sitting immediate neighbor of Roman and Simran and not facing the same direction. And neither Vimala immediate neighbor of Hardik nor facing south. Now Vimala is not facing south, and hence Vimala must be facing towards north. As Vimala is facing towards north, now we are taking this Vimala at the first one. Okay, ila తీసుకుందాం. And Vimala ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి Vimala is facing towards north. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి? Remaining no information given about the direction of any other person except this Vimala. అందుకే Vimala ని ఇక్కడ తీసుకోండి. Now Shruti is behind the one who is sitting to the immediate left of the one who is sitting behind Harita. And Shruti ఎక్కడ ఉంది చెప్పండి? Shruti is sitting behind the one who is sitting to the immediate left of the one who is sitting behind Harita. Harita ki పై వెనకన ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో Harita. Now let us take a Harita at this place. ఎక్కడైనా Harita is here. Then if Harita is at this place, behind Harita there is one person. If Harita is facing like this, behind this person there is a person. Harita ki ఎవరైతే behind ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళకి left hand side ఎవరు ఉన్నారో చెప్పండి. Shruti is sitting behind the one who is sitting to the immediate left of the one who is sitting behind her. Harita ki behind ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళకి immediate left hand side కి వెనకన Shruti ఉంది అని అన్నారు. కనుక Shruti and Harita must be adjacent to each other. వాళ్ళ అయ్యారా లేదా? Now Shruti and Harita must be adjacent behind this person, and this person is facing towards south. కనుక ఈ 4 members ఇలా ఉండాలి. Okay, forget about this Vimala. Now Vimala is facing towards north. Then 1, 2, 3 Harita ki వెనకన ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వారికి immediate left hand side కి behind Shruti ఉంది. And Shruti and Harita must be like this. Then coming to the other information. Shruti is sitting behind the అయిపోయింది. Hardik is sitting second to the left of the one who is sitting behind the one who is sitting to the right of Krish. Now Krish ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాడు అనుకోండి. ఓకే, Krish కి రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. Now Krish ki immediate right hand side. Now Hardik is seated second to the left of the one who is sitting behind the one who is sitting to the immediate right of Krish. Immediate right hand side of Krish ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు. వీడికి behind ఇక్కడ ఉంటాడు. వాడికి సెకండ్ రైట్ ఎవరు ఉన్నారు, సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఎవరు ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి, హార్దిక్ ఉన్నాడు అని అన్నారు. క్లియర్? నౌ దీస్ ఆర్ ద టూ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్స్ గివెన్, ఇది ఒకటి ఇది. నౌ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి 1 2 అండ్ దస్ ప్లేస్ ఈజ్ సేమ్ 3 and 4 కనుక 4 మెంబర్స్ మనకి ఇస్తే ఫిక్స్ అయిపోతున్నారా లేదా, 1 2 3 4 ఇంకొక 4 1 2 3 4. నా ఇప్పుడు క్రిష్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు అనుకోండి, క్రిష్ అవునా కదా, క్రిష్ ఈజ్ ఫేసింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ నాట్ ఇమీడియట్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ క్రిష్, ఆపోజిట్ సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్ హార్దిక్, hence హార్దిక్ మస్ట్ గెట్ దిస్ ప్లేస్. డన్ విత్ దిస్ క్రిష్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ముగ్గురిని ఎక్కడ ఫిక్స్ చేయాలో చూద్దాం. నో ఇక్కడ విమల ఈజ్ ఫేసింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ నార్త్. విమల ఇక్కడ ఉందనుకోండి, దెన్ శృతి అండ్ హరిత మస్ట్ బి అడ్జసెంట్. శృతి అండ్ హరిత మస్ట్ బి అడ్జసెంట్ అంటే శృతి అండ్ హరిత ఇక్కడ ఉండాలా. నో శృతి ఈజ్ హియర్ అండ్ హరిత ఈజ్ అట్ దిస్ ప్లేస్, శృతి హరిత. దెన్ హరితకి ఇమీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఇంకెవరున్నా చెప్పండి, విమల. నో విమల ఈజ్ హియర్. నో దీస్ 4 persons were fixed like this. ఇప్పుడు ఒక్కసారి కండిషన్ చూడండి, నో 2 boys ఆర్ సిట్టింగ్ ఈచ్ అదర్. క్రిష్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు, హార్దిక్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు, అండ్ ఇంకొక బాయ్ ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి, ఇక్కడైనా ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడైతే ఒక బాయ్ డెఫినెట్గా ఉండాలి, అవునా కదా. ఇక్కడ బాయ్ లేరు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు మనకి 2 boys మస్ట్ బి అడ్జసెంట్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్ అయిపోతాయి, విచ్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. హెన్స్ 1 boy మస్ట్ బి హియర్, 1 మస్ట్ బి ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ 2. నో 2 boys ఆర్ సిట్టింగ్, శృతి ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్. నో శృతి గురించి మాట్లాడాలి. Now this Shruti is sitting behind whom? Now this Shruti is sitting behind the one who is sitting to the immediate left or the one who is behind Harita. Haritaki వెనకన ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వారికి ఇమీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్, వారికి ఇమీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్కి నెక్స్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్కి బిహైండ్ శృతి. కనుక విమల మస్ట్ బి హియర్ ఫేసింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ నార్త్. సరిపోయిందండి. ఇంకొకసారి ఆ కండిషన్ చదువుకుంటారా. నో దిస్ కండిషన్ వన్స్ అగైన్, విమల ఈజ్ ఫేసింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ నార్త్, ఇక్కడ నుంచి తీసుకున్నాం. శృతి ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ బిహైండ్, శృతి ఎవరికి వెనకడంటే విమలాకి వెనక, బిహైండ్ ద వన్ హూ ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ టు ద ఇమీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద వన్ బిహైండ్ హరిత. హరితకి వెనకన ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళకి ఇమీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్కి వెనకన శృతి. సరిపోయింది కదా. దెన్ సెకండ్ వన్, హార్దిక్ ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ సెకండ్ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద వన్ హూ ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్. Hardik is seated second to the left of the one who is sitting to the immediate right of Krish, sitting behind the one who is sitting to the immediate right of Krish. Krishకి immediate right hand side ఉన్నవాడికి వెనకని ఉన్నవాడికి సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్లో హార్దిక్ ఉండాలి. Hence Hardik must be at this place. Done. Then coming to the remainder, Shruti is not sitting in immediate neighbor of Roman and Simran. శృతి ఇక్కడ రోమన్ ఉండకూడదు, సిమ్రన్ ఉండకూడదు. కనుక రోమన్ అండ్ సిమ్రన్ మస్ట్ బి ఇన్ దీస్ 2 places. If Roman and Simran are in these 2 places, ఇంకా మిగిలిపోయింది ఎవరు చెప్పండి, శ్రీను మస్ట్ బి హియర్. శ్రీను ఈజ్ రోమన్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటే సిమ్రన్ ఇక్కడ, రోమన్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటే సిమ్రన్. అండ్ సిమ్రన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఫేసింగ్ ద సేమ్ జెండర్, దట్ మీన్స్ సిమ్రన్ కెనాట్ బి హియర్. ఇక్కడ సిమ్రన్ ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి, హరితకి ఆపోజిట్ ఉండాలి, విచ్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్, నాట్ ఫేసింగ్ ద సేమ్ జెండర్. అండ్ సిమ్రన్ మస్ట్ బి అట్ దిస్ ప్లేస్. ఇఫ్ సిమ్రన్ ఈజ్ హియర్, then who is the other person here? Roman must be at this place, Roman. And neither Vimala is an immediate neighbor of Hardik nor facing south. Vimala is not facing south, and Vimala is not adjacent to Hardik. Sarpendani. Now this is what the information we have, and these persons were like this, and these persons are facing like this. Done. Now this is about question numbers 146 to 150. And next one, after this question number 151 onwards, what is the next information we have? 151. Question number 151. Now 6 persons are sitting in a rectangular and 3 persons are sitting at the corners and the remaining are at the sides. Now ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి, 6 persons. Now this is how these 6 persons were seated. And corners లో 3 members ఉన్నారు, 3 persons at the corners and 3 persons at the centers. 3 persons at the centers. And at the person, and persons who are sitting at sides are facing away from the center. Sides are facing away from the center, you have to be away from the center, and the corners are facing towards the center, and the persons who are at the corners are facing towards the center. This is what the information we have. And with the gender, with them, the person who is sitting between them, the gender male or female is not the same gender. That means no 2 persons who are of the same gender are seated adjacent to each other. జాన్వి అండ్ జకీర్ ఆర్ ద 2 ఆఫ్ ద పర్సన్స్ అమాంగ్ దెమ్. మొత్తం 6 మెంబర్స్లో జాన్వి ఒకరు, జకీర్ కూడా ఒకరు ఉన్నారని అన్నారు. ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకి మేల్ అండ్ ఫీమేల్ ఇవ్వలేదు, అండ్ మేల్ అండ్ ఫీమేల్ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ ఫర్ ద సేక్ ఆఫ్ సాల్వింగ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ అన్ అజంప్షన్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద జెండర్ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ ద నేమ్స్. ఓకే, మేల్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద నేమ్స్ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ ద జెండర్. ఇన్ జనరల్ మనం అలా ఇప్పుడు తీసుకోకూడదు. Jagan is sitting second to the left of the one who is sitting to the immediate right of Jennifer, and one of them is facing towards the center. One of them, Jaganu, Jennifer, another Jagan is sitting second to the left of the one who is sitting to the immediate right of Jennifer. Jennifer ki immediate right hand side ki second. Jennifer ఇక్కడ ఉంటే immediate right hand side కి second. కనుక ఇందులో ఇద్దరు ఫేసింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ ద సెంటర్ వస్తున్నారు అవునా కదా. జెన్నిఫర్ కానీ ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటే జెన్నిఫర్కి immediate right ki second right hand side, కనుక 2 persons are facing the center. Hence Jennifer cannot be at the center. Jennifer must be at the corner. Follow అయ్యారా లేదా? జెన్నిఫర్ని ఎందుకు కార్నర్లో ఫిక్స్ చేసాను చెప్పండి. జెన్నిఫర్కి ఇమీడియట్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్కి ఉన్నవాడికి సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్, అండ్ సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఎవరున్నారు? జగన్. కనుక జగన్ ఇక్కడ సరిపోయిందా? కనుక ఈ ముగ్గురులో ఒకరే టువర్డ్స్ ద సెంటర్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి జెన్నిఫర్ ఒకరే సెంటర్లో ఉన్నారు. వీళ్ళిద్దరు అవే ఫ్రమ్ ద సెంటర్. Jagan is sitting second to the left of the one who is sitting to the immediate right of Jennifer, and one of them is facing towards the center. Jersey is sitting behind the one. Jersey is sitting behind the one, okay, behind the one who is sitting second to the right of Johnny. Now Jersey is sitting behind the one who is sitting second to the right of Johnny, and she is sitting at one of the corner. Now who is at one of the corner here? Jersey is at one of the corner. Jersey ikkade ఉండొచ్చు, ఇక్కడే ఉండొచ్చు. Jersey ఇక్కడ ఉంటే now Jersey is behind the one అన్న. Now Jersey is sitting behind one of the person ఇక్కడ. Jersey is sitting behind one of the person who is sitting second to the right of John. ఈ పర్సన్ జానీకి సెకండ్ రైట్లో ఉండాలి. సెకండ్ రైట్లో ఉండే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? లేదు. జగన్కి సెకండ్ రైట్, జానీకి అయితే కాదు. హెన్స్ జెర్సీ కెనాట్ బి అట్ దిస్ ప్లేస్. ఫాలో అయ్యారా? As Jersey cannot be at this place, then where should this Jersey? Jersey must be at this place. Now this Jersey is sitting behind the one who is sitting second to the right of whom? Second to the right of Johnny. Now where should this Johnny? Johnny must be at this place. Johnny. Now as Johnny is here, Johnny ki second right ki behind Jersey. Now two boys అయిపోయారు, two girls అయిపోయారు, and who is the other girl left over here? And ఇక్కడ Jahnavi is one of the girl. And who is the other person here? Zakir. Zakir is another. This is how these 6 persons are seated around this rectangular table. 3 at the corners and 3 at the centers. Persons seated at the centers are away from the center, corners are facing towards the center. Then this is about 146 to 150. Then 151 to 155. Now in this one 6 persons, Subhas, Tarun, Rakesh, Priyanka, Harika, Mahesh are born in different years. What are the years we have? 1972. Years ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి years పేరు రాసుకుని 1972. Next one after this 72, 80, 72, 80, 88, and 95, 88, 95, 2001, 2005. Now all together 3, 4, 5, 6 persons. 72, 80, 88, 72, 80, 88, 95, 2001 and 2005 are the 6 persons we have. Now these 6 persons ఇప్పుడు ఏమయ్యారు చెప్పండి? And a game, they got top ranks in a game, but not necessarily in the same order. Now who are the persons here? Persons తీసుకుంటే STRP, HM. STRP, HM are the persons. Now we need to identify who was born and which year, and at the same time the ranks they got in this, or ranks కూడా మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. Then now here this is the person and this is about the rank. Then condition number 1, Mahesh is getting better rank than Harika. Now Mahesh got better rank than Harika. Mahesh got better rank than Harika and is elder than Tarun. Mahesh is elder than Tarun. Mahesh is elder than Tarun. Okay? No. Mahesh is elder than Tarun. Mahesh got better rank than Harika. And Mahesh is elder than Tarun but not Rakesh. Mahesh is not as old as Rakesh. Hence RMT is the order. Okay? RMT. Next one. But not Rakesh. Subhas is getting better rank than Mahesh. Shubhas got better rank than Mahesh. Shubhas got better rank than Mahesh and he is elder than Harika. Shubhas is elder than Harika. Shubhas is elder than Harika. And Shubhas is elder than Harika. Isn't elder than Harika is elder than Rakesh. As Harika is elder than Rakesh, Shubhas, Rakesh, and this M and this is T. As of now 5 persons were done. Okay? Inka migilipoyindi. Now this person Priyanka is left over. Now Mahesh is elder than Harika. Shubhas is elder than Harika. Harika is elder than Rakesh. And next one, Harika is elder than Rakesh. Priyanka is elder than Tharun. Priyanka is elder than Tharun ante Priyanka elder than Tharun. Ikkada ee madhyalo ekkadena undochu. Ee positions lo ekkadena undochu. Priyanka is elder than Tharun. Priyanka is elder than Tharun, but not Rakesh, but younger than Rakesh. Younger than Rakesh ante Priyanka ikkadena undali, ikkadena undali. Ee rendu places lo ekkadena undochu. In between this M and T, Mahesh and Tharun, are in between Rakesh and Mahesh. And Priyanka, only one person between Priyanka and Rakesh. Priyanka ki Rakesh ki madhyalo okare puttarante, Priyanka must be here. As Priyanka must be here. Now what is order we have? Order is S, H, R, S, H, R, M, P and T. Now this is the order in which these 6 persons were formed. S, H, R, M, P, T. Then coming to this ranks. Ranks ఒకసారి చూడండి. Now Mahesh got better rank. Mahesh got better rank than Harika and is elder than Tharun but not Rakesh. Shubhas got better rank than Mahesh and he is elder than Harika, is elder than Rakesh. Priyanka is elder than Tharun but not Rakesh, and no one is getting better rank among them. Now Priyanka and Rakesh are not getting the first rank. Priyanka and Rakesh, these 2 persons are not getting the first rank. Priyanka and Rakesh cannot be the first ranker. Okay, Rakesh, but no one is getting better rank, best rank among them and first rank. Only one person between Priyanka and Rakesh, but Rakesh is not younger than Tharun. Tharun got better rank than Harika. Now Tharun got better rank than Harika. No. Tharun got better rank than Harika. Tharun, who got better rank than Harika? Rakesh got better rank than Priyanka. Rakesh got better rank than Priyanka, isn't it? Rakesh got better rank than Priyanka, but not Harika. And Rakesh did not got better rank than Harika ante H ikkada undali. H ikkada unte then H kana mundu T undali. Mana ee renditni kalapadaniki try cheyandi. S M అవునా కదా, 1 2 H is the person, S M తర్వాత H ఉండాలి అవునా కదా, H తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ T, H కన్నా ముందు T ఉండాలి, H కన్నా ముందు T ఉండాలి కాబట్టి S M T H R and P. S M H T H R. S M of first ranker. S got the first ranker, isn't it? S got the first ranker. Next one M got the second ranker. T got the third ranker, and H got the fourth ranker, and R got the fifth ranker, and finally P got the sixth ranker. Then this is about question numbers 151 to 155. The next one, (156 to 160). Now in this 156 to 160, what is the information we have? 6 persons, Renu, Ganesh, Charan, Balu, Prem and Dharmam, are living in 6-floor building, and each got different marks in an examination, isn't it? Now how many persons are there? 6 persons are there. Now 6 persons are there. Now these 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and they have got a different marks in an examination. Now we need to identify who is staying on which floor and the number of marks that person scored. Done. Then coming to condition number 1. చెప్పండి ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? Dharma is living on an odd even number floor but not on top number floor. But not on top. కనుక Dharma can be either on the second floor or Dharma can be on the fourth floor. There are 2 different possibilities. Dharma is living on an even number floor but not on top floor, and he is getting more marks than Srinu and Ganesh. Now this Dharma got more marks than, ఇక్కడ marks గురించి మాట్లాడుతుంది, and Srinu and Ganesh. Dharma got more marks than Srinu and Ganesh, isn't it? Then next one, Dharma got more marks than Srinu and Ganesh. Now this is regarding the marks, not regarding the floor. Next one, getting more marks than Srinu and Ganesh. Charan is living on one of the floors below Balu. Now regarding the floor arrangement. Regarding the floor arrangement, Charan is below Balu. Charan is below Balu, but not Prem. But Charan is not below Prem, hence Charan is above Prem. Charan is above Prem, isn't it? Charan is above Prem, but not below, but not Prem. And he is getting more marks than Srinu. Charan got more marks than Srinu. Charan got more marks than Srinu, isn't it? Now this Charan got more marks than Srinu and is living above Prem. Now this Charan is living above Prem, isn't it? Charan is living above Prem. Prem who is getting better rank than Srinu. Now this Prem got better rank than Srinu. Now this Prem got better rank than Srinu. Next one. Only one person living between Balu and Charan. Balu ki Charan ke mazle ante mandi unnaru cheppandi, there must be exactly one person. One person between Balu and Charan. One person is in between Balu and Charan, but no one is living either at the first or the sixth floor. First floor, sixth floor le avaru leru ani annaru. Kanuka Balu and Charan ekkadi nunchi modalu pettaru cheppandi, Balu and Charan ila raasukovachu. And ikkada manaki Balu and Charan. Balu is at this place, Charan is at this place. Balu and Charan. Balu and Charan. Now this P must be below this one. Ikkada manaki P ikkade positive. Ikkada manaki P can be either at the second floor or on the first floor. Then Balu and Prem who is getting better rank, only one person between Balu and Charan. But no one is living on either the first or the sixth floor. And Balu is getting less marks than Charan. Now here Balu is getting less marks than Charan. Now Charan kanna takku markulu Balu. Balu is getting, Prem is getting more marks than Ganesh. Now this Prem is getting more marks than Ganesh. Prem is getting more marks than Ganesh, but not Charan. Prem is getting less marks than Charan. Less marks than Charan. And he is not getting 34 marks. Now who is that one? Prem is not getting 34. Prem is not 34. This is what the information we have. Now with the help of information, tell me what is the possibility we have. Now Dharma is living on an even number floor, but not on, and he is getting more marks than Srinu and Ganesh. Charan is living on one of the floors below Balu. Charan is living on one of the floors below Balu, but not Prem. Charan is not below Prem. Charan is above Prem, and he is getting more marks than Srinu. Srinu and Prem are living on immediate floors. Srinu and Prem are living on immediate floors. కానీ ఇక్కడ శ్రీను అండ్ ప్రేమ్ ఇమీడియట్ ఫ్లోర్స్ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? లేదు. లేదు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి. నా శ్రీను ఇక్కడ ఉంటే ప్రేమ్ ఇక్కడ, ప్రేమ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటే శ్రీను. అండ్ శ్రీను అండ్ ప్రేమ్ దేర్ మస్ట్ బి ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ వన్ పర్సన్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? అండ్ శ్రీను ఈజ్ లివింగ్ అబౌవ్ ప్రేమ్ and living Srinu, but now Srinu and Prem are living on immediate floors, and one of them living either on top or the ground floor, either on the top or the ground floor, top or the ground floor, and Srinu is living above Prem. As Srinu is living above Prem, Srinu is here and Prem is here, and who is the other person left over here? G. Ganesh is left over. So then this is the arrangement we have. Then coming to these marks, what are the marks we have? 19, 29, 34, 19, 29, 34, 38, 43 and 51. 43 and 51. Now all together 3, 4, 5, 6. Then ikkada manaki chudandi. Then who got the first rank here? D got more than S, G ana kada. And G ikkada unnadu. G kanna mundu inkevaru undalu cheppandi? D undalu. Hence who got the highest marks here? Then marks who got the highest marks is D. D got 51. D ni మనం ఫైండ్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ D, దెన్ D కన్నా నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకెవరు ఉన్నా చెప్పండి? S ఉండొచ్చు, G ఉండొచ్చు. S కన్నా ముందు P ఉండాలి, అవునా కదా? అండ్ P తర్వాత G ఉండాలి. కనుక నెక్స్ట్ స్కోర్ ఎవరికి వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? అండ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ హూ గాట్ మోర్ మార్క్స్ విల్ బి C ఆర్ P మధ్యలో. కానీ ఇక్కడ C ఈజ్ మోర్ దాన్ P. C ఈజ్ మోర్ దాన్ P కాబట్టి C ఈజ్ 43 అండ్ P ఈజ్ సో మచ్? P ఈజ్ 38 అండ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ స్కోర్ ఈజ్ 38. ఈ ముగ్గురు డిసైడ్ అయిపోయారు. Then what happened to the remaining 3 persons? Remaining 3 persons ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి? S, B and G. S, B and G. S, B and G లో ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఏముందా? S, B and G? No. G is lesser than C and P. ఇక్కడ కూడా G is lesser than C and P సరిపోయింది. ఇక్కడ మనకి Cకి Sకి మధ్యలో రిలేషన్ ఇచ్చాడు, isn't it? C is more than S అన్నాడు. C is more than S, అది కూడా ట్రూనే. Now D got more than S and G, D got more than S and G, అది కూడా కరెక్టే. Now P got more than S, here also P got more than S, అవునా కదా? And next one, and C got more than B, C got more than B. And the same information given, no information about the remaining three. Our remaining three members కి ఎలా రావచ్చు చెప్పండి? 19, 29 and 34. 19, 29, 34 ఈ ముగ్గురులో ఎవరికైనా రావచ్చు. 19, 29, 34. No information given about these persons. 19, 29, 34 in any order. Now this is about 156 to 160. Then next one is 161 onwards. Then 161 to 163, what is the information we have? And this is about syllogisms, and syllogisms conclusion follows. And what are the choices? 1, 2, either, neither, both. Fine. Now some birds are small. How to represent this one? These are the birds which are small. Some birds are small. All small are cute. All these small are what? All these small are cute. All small are cute. No cute is big. No, ikkademo bird వచ్చింది. No cute is big ante cute and big. This is the information between cute and big. No cute is big. Some big are strong. Some of the big are what? Some big are strong. Ikkada small ఇది. Then with the help of this one, no big is small. Big ikkada, small ikkada, definitely true. అది false అవ్వాలంటే some big are small అవ్వాలి. Some big are small అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? లేదు కాబట్టి this will be true forever. Some big is not bird. Some big is not bird అంటే no big is bird true అయింది. ట్రూ అయింది కాబట్టి ఆల్టర్నేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఆల్ బిగ్ ఆర్ బర్డ్ అని చెప్పాలి. ఆల్ బిగ్ ఆర్ బర్డ్ అంటే బిగ్ అంత ఈ బర్డ్లోకి రావచ్చు కదా. నో ఈ క్యూట్తో కలవకుండా బిగ్ అని మనం ఈ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ విధంగా రాస్తే ఇట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ. హెన్స్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ ట్రూ, ప్రీవియస్ కన్క్లూజన్ విల్ బి ఫాల్స్, హెన్స్ సెకండ్ కన్క్లూజన్ విల్ బి ఫాల్స్. ఓన్లీ కన్క్లూజన్ 1 is to 161, choice 1. Then 162, no egg is chicken, some chicken is good. No, some chicken is good. Now this is chicken and this is good, and no egg is chicken. No intersection between egg and a chicken. No egg is chicken. Some chicken is good. All good is best. All this good is what? Entire good is best. All good is best. And no best is super. No best is super means no intersection between best and super. Now this is what the information we have. Some best is chicken or not. Some best is chicken is always true. This is intersection between best and a chicken. And next one, no super is good. Super ikkada, good ikkada. No super is good kuda true అయింది. ట్రూ అయింది కాబట్టి ఇది ఫాల్స్ అవ్వాలంటే సమ్ సూపర్ ఆర్ గుడ్ అంటే ఇలా రాయాలి. సమ్ సూపర్ ఆర్ గుడ్. ఇలా మనం సూపర్ రాసుకునే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. ఇలా రాసామనుకోండి నో బెస్ట్ ఈజ్ సూపర్ విల్ బి ఫాల్స్. Hence what is your answer here? Both the conclusions are true. Both 1 and 2, that is choice by 162. Then 163. All iron is copper. All iron is copper. Ela rasam cheppandi, this entire iron is copper. All iron is copper. And all copper is bronze. All iron is copper. And all copper is bronze. And no iron is steel. No iron is steel means no intersection between iron and steel. No iron is steel. And all steel is gold. This entire steel is what? Entire steel is gold. Then coming to the first, all iron is bronze is a possibility. All iron is bronze. All iron is bronze. As of now, all iron is bronze is true or false? As of now, all iron is bronze is definitely true. Hence, a possibility another it cannot. Next one, some bronze is not steel. Some bronze is not steel and no bronze is steel. No bronze is steel. Some bronze is not steel. Some bronze is not steel. True. This is false. All bronze is steel and chapal. All bronze is steel ante మొత్తం bronze అంతా steel లోకి ఇలా రాసుకోవాలి. ఇలా స్టీల్ రాసామనుకోండి, then no steel is iron statement will be false. Alternate diagram cannot be drawn. This will be true forever. Then what is your answer? Only true follows. Then 163, it is choice 2. Then 164 onwards, coded inequalities. Now in this one the choice is 1, 2, either, neither, both. Then coming to this one, V and W. V ikkada, W ikkada. Where is V here? W is here. V is between V and W. W lesser than V. W lesser than V is true. V greater than W is true. V equals to W false. Q and P. Q ikkada, P ikkada. Between P and Q, P greater than Q is to. P greater than Q is to, Q lesser than P is to. Hence only 2 follows, that is choice to 164. Then 165. Now in this 165, now this is C here and V and Z. Now between V and Z, V ikkada, Z. Z ki V ki madhya, what is information we have? Z greater than V is to, V lesser than Z is to. Next one, Z equals to Q. Z equals to Q, Z ikkada, Q ikkada. Z equals to Q. Now here, Z greater than or equals to Q and can Z equals to Q is false. It can be either greater or equal, but not always equal. Hence, what is your answer? Only one follows, that is choice 1, 165. Then 166. Now in this 166, the relation between S and E. S ikkada, E ikkada. Now what is the relation between these two, S and E? Now which symbol is common? Two opposite symbol. One lesser than, one greater than, no relation can be drawn. V and P chapter. V and P. Now P is here. And where is V? P is at this place. No, there is no V at all. Isn't it? A, S, D, F, J, K, L, H, G, Q, W, E, R, P, U, Y, and T. Isn't it? Hence, చెప్పండి ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ మనకి V greater than, this is P and maybe this is V అనుకోండి. Y ప్లేస్లో V తీసుకుని ఉండొచ్చు. Y ప్లేస్లో V తీసుకున్నా and P lesser than or equals to V అయితే V greater than or equals to P అవుతుంది. Sorry, ఇక్కడ ఇంకా ఉంది ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. ఓకే, now P is here, now T equals to B, B lesser than N, N equals to V greater than C. Now the relation between P and V. P की V के मध्य relation to lesser than or equals to, lesser than or equals to lesser. P lesser than V, V greater than P is true. Hence what is your answer? 166, it is choice 2. Then 167 to 169. Now in this 167 to 169, it is based on coding and decoding. Now honest. Now what is the word that is common here? Honest is the word that is common between the first and the second. As a honest is the word that is common between the first and the second, then tell me what is the code that is common? On to the is. On to the is. Is the term that is common. And the code to the word honest is. ఇంకా ఈజ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి హానెస్ట్ కూడా ఉండాలి. ఉందా మనకి హానెస్ట్? ఓకే, హానెస్ట్ ప్రొవైడ్స్ గ్రేట్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంది. Honest provides great option and sincere working given honest. Isn't it? Given honest. Then in this one, great, what is the element that is common? Honest is common between these two. ikkada kuda manaki honest undali. Then let us check out another pattern. Honest is the element which is common here. Then if you compare, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఈజ్ అనే టర్మ్ త్రీ టైమ్స్ కామన్. 3 times కామన్ అంటే డెఫినెట్గా ఒకే వర్డ్ కామన్ ఉండాలి. గ్రేట్, బూస్ట్, మెచ్యూరిటీ, వర్కింగ్. గ్రేట్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది, గ్రేట్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ గ్రేట్ లేదు. ఓకే, నౌ లెట్ us టేక్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఫర్ టైమ్ బీయింగ్ ఇది గ్రేట్ అనుకోండి. నౌ గ్రేట్ ఈజ్ వాట్? గ్రేట్ ఈజ్, సారీ, ఇక్కడ హానెస్ట్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ గ్రేట్. నౌ ఇక్కడ గ్రేట్ ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. And if you compare the first and the third, honest provides a great option. Now here between these two, option is the word that is common. As option is the word that is common between the first and the third, on to the on is common. Hence option is on. ikkada nunchi modalu option is on, here also option is on. Next one, first and the fourth, honest provides great. Now honest provides great. Great is the term that is common between these two. As great is common between these two, then the code that is common between these two is common. Then a honest is. Saripindandi? Honest is. And next one, and between these two. Now if you compare sincere and this one, sincere working honest and sincere working honest, ikkada manaki sincere working honest, maybe ikkada TO2 this one. Okay, honest and honest, that is 2 is the on. Now the code given to the word honest is 2, TO2. Honest is TO2. ikkada kuda manaki honest emo TO2 aita. Then provides is the word left over, and what is the code that is left over here? Provides is the code given to the word provides is THC. sincere working. Working is the word that is common between these two. As working is common between these two, tell me what is the code here? For is the code between these two. Hence for and for. For and for. Working is for. As working is for here, ఇంకా మనకి మిగిలిపోయింది అని చెప్పండి, వర్కింగ్ ఫర్ అయిపోయింది. వర్కింగ్ ఫర్ అయిపోతే ఇంకా అండ్ సిన్సియర్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్. ఇక్కడ బూస్ట్ అండ్ మెచ్యూరిటీ. అండ్ సిన్సియర్ ఈజ్ ద టర్మ్ దట్ ఈస్ కామన్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ. సిన్సియర్ కామన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇన్ ఈజ్ కామన్. అండ్ ద కోడ్ టు ద వర్డ్ సిన్సియర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్. సిన్సియర్ ఏమో ఇన్ అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా మనకి మిగిలిపోయింది అని చెప్పండి గివెన్. గివెన్ ఈజ్ వాట్? గివెన్ ఈజ్ టు ఫర్ ఎన్. ఇజంట్ ఇట్? నో, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏదో టైప్ మిస్టేక్ ఉంది. And next one, boost and maturity. Now boost is the word that is common. As boost is the common and end is boost. Boost can తీసుకో చెప్పండి, boost is end. As boost is end and maturity is system is by and after this system is by, maturity is to. Maturity, this is about to. Okay? These are the words and their corresponding consonant, corresponding chords. Now this is about 167 to 169. Then after this 167 to 169, 170 onwards. Now in this question number 170, and which one is fifth to the right of eighth from the left hand? Fifth to the right of eighth from the left hand. Eighth from the left. Fifth right, eighth left hand, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 from the left hand. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is your answer here? N is the answer, choice 4. 170, the choice 4 is the answer. Then which one is 7th to the left or 15th from the left? And 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is what? 8th from the left. 8th from the left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hash is the element, hash, that is choice 3. 171, it is choice 3. Then 172, how many letters are there? Preceded by a number and followed by a symbol. Number, letter and symbol రావాలి. Number, letter and symbol. Number, letter and symbol. 9T star. 9 is a number, letter is T and star is a symbol. Number, letter and symbol. Number, letter, number, letter, number, letter and a star. Number, letter and a symbol. Number, letter and a symbol. 1 A and exclamation. And so how many are there? There are 2 of such category. Hence question number 172. 172, 2 is the answer, 2 that is given in choice. Then 173. Now in 173, M is going 4 kilometers to east direction to meet you. M, okay, east direction to meet you. Now let us take A is the starting point. From here this M traveled 4 kilometers towards east to meet you. From that he has taken 3 kilometers south. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 3 kilometers south వెళ్ళాడు and 3 kilometers south and to meet Q. Okay, ఇక్కడేమో యూని మీట్ అవుతున్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి 3 kilometers south to meet Q and he has taken 6 kilometers towards east to meet H. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 6 kilometers east towards H. ఇక్కడ H. 6 kilometers east towards H. From that person he has taken 5 kilometers north to reach A. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 5 kilometers north to reach A. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 5 kilometers north to reach A అంటే A. To reach A and has taken A ఉన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ some starting point in ఏదో తీసుకుని starting point to reach A and he has taken 6 kilometers towards west to reach S. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 6 kilometers towards west to reach S. ఇక్కడ S 6 kilometers, same 6 and 6 to reach S. From that the person has taken 1 kilometer south to reach B. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 1 kilometer south అన్నాడు. 1 kilometer south అంటే ఇది 5లో 3 కవర్ అయిపోయింది, ఇంకో 2లో 1 కవర్ అయిపోయింది. టు రీచ్ బి, ఇక్కడికి బీకి వచ్చి నో అండ్ హ్యాస్ టేకెన్ 3 kilometers ఈస్ట్ టు రీచ్ బి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 3 kilometers ఈస్ట్, ఇక్కడ నుంచి 6లో 3 kilometers అంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ అట్ ద సెంటర్ టు రీచ్ బి. ఇక్కడ టు రీచ్ బి అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ టేకెన్ 2 kilometers సౌత్ టు రీచ్ బి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 2 kilometers సౌత్ అంటే మనకు ఉండిపోయిన 1లో 1 ఒకటి కవర్ అయిపోయింది, ఇంకో 1 కవర్ అయిపోయింది. hence 1 and 1. 2 kilometers south to reach B. Now this is the entire diagram. Then according to this one, what is the direct distance between P and H? P ki H ki madhya distance anta anedi. P ikkada undi and H ekkada undi cheppandi, H ekkada undi. Now P ki H ki madhya distance cheppandi. Now ikkada mottham 5 లో ఇక్కడికి 1 ఉంది కనుక ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి 4 ఉంటుంది అవునా కదా, 4 square and ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పండి, దిస్ విల్ బి 3 square. ఇది 6లో ఇది 3 ఇంకొక 3 Hence 4 square plus 3 square is nothing but 5. Hence what is the answer here? 5. And 5 that is given in which choice? Choice 3 is the answer, 173. Then A is in which direction with respect to B? B దగ్గర నుంచి చూస్తే ఏ డైరెక్షన్లో ఉంది. Now B నుంచి చూస్తే north and east to northeast. North and east to northeast, that is choice 4, 174. Is the distance between which two persons is the least? Okay, ఏ ఇద్దరు పర్సన్స్ మధ్యలో లీస్ట్ ఉంది. ఎక్కడ మనకి 1 కిలోమీటర్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది చెప్పండి? ఎస్కి బీకి మధ్యలో 1. హెన్స్ దట్ ఈస్ ద లీస్ట్ బిట్వీన్ దిస్ ఎస్బి అండ్ యూబీ కూడా ఇచ్చారు. ఇక్కడ యూబీ కూడా డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత ఉంది చెప్పండి? యూ అండ్ బి. యూ అండ్ బి, యూ ఇక్కడ, బి ఇక్కడ, మొత్తం మనకి 5లో ఇక్కడ 1, ఇక్కడ ఇంకో 1. హెన్స్ యూ అండ్ బి అండ్ ఎస్ అండ్ బి, చాయిస్ 5 is the answer, 175. Then 176 onwards. Now 176 and 177, it is based on ranking. In 7th class, Rohan got 29th from the top. Rohan got 29th from the top. Now let us take Rohan is somewhere here. 29th from the top ante Rohan kanna munde entamandi undali cheppandi? Before this Rohan we need to have 28%. Rohan got 29th from the top and Sujata getting 6 ranks better than him. And Sujata got 6 ranks better than him ante Rohan kanna manchi rank Sujata. కనుక 6 ranks ahead. కనుక మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి? 5 members. మీ 29th ర్యాంకర్ కాబట్టి అవునా కదా. ఇప్పుడు సుజాత ర్యాంక్ ఎంత ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? 29 minus 6, 23. 23rd from the top. Now Sujata got 23rd from the top. కనుక సుజాత కన్నా ముందు ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి? బిఫోర్ ది సుజాత we must have only 22 persons. ఓకే, సుజాత కన్నా 22 members. సుజాత 23rd, మధ్యలో 5, 28. And Rohan is 29. Sujata is 6th from the better rank than Rohan. Sujata got 6 ranks better than him. Ashok is getting the rank of which is 5, 5th to the left of Gandhi. 5th to the left of Gandhi ante Gandhi ekkada unte, and 5th to the left of Gandhi. And who is this one? Ashok. Ashok 5th to the left of Gandhi ante వీళ్ళిద్దరికి మధ్యలో 4 ఉండాలి. Ashok must got better rank than Gandhi. అవునా కదా. వీడికి 15th ర్యాంక్ అనుకోండి, వీడికేమో 10th ర్యాంక్ రావాలి. Hence Gandhi scored lesser than Ashok. And Gandhi who has got the 5th rank from the bottom, right hand side ante bottom. కనుక గాంధీ కన్నా వెనక్కి ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి? 4 members. 4 plus 1, 5. And Ashok got 5 ranks better than Gandhi. Then next one. ఇక్కడ మనకి అశోక్ అండ్ గాంధీ ఈ డయాగ్రామ్లో ఎక్కడ ఫిక్స్ చేయడం ఇంకా తెలియదు మనకి. As many persons between Rohan and Kavya is same as Kavya and Ashok. Rohan ki Kavya ki మధ్యలో ఎంత ఉండాలో Rohan and Kavya is same as Kavya and Ashok. Kavya ki Ashok ante. Sujata got 19 ranks better than Kavya. ikkada information వచ్చింది. Sujata got 19 ranks better than Kavya. 19 ranks into 10th rank ఉండాలి చెప్పండి. And 23 plus 19 is how much? 42nd. Now this Sujata must got, now this Kavya must be 42nd rank. అవునా కదా. Sorry, 42nd. కనుక ఆర్ 19th ర్యాంక్ అన్నాడు కదా. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 19 అయ్యింది. 5 plus 1, 6 అయిపోయింది. And 6 plus 12, 18. And 18 plus Kavya, 19. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, Sujata got 19 ranks better than Kavya. Kavya నుంచి 12 plus 1, 13 plus 5, 18 plus 1, 19. Then 23 plus 5, 28, 29. 29 plus 12, 29 plus 12. How much is that? 41 plus 1, 42. Now Kavya's rank from the top is 42. Now in between Rohan and Kavya, Rohan ki Kavya ki 12 members ఉన్నారు. Kavya ki Ashok ki మధ్యలో 12 members ఉండాలంటే Ashok ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు. Ashok ఇక్కడ ఉంటే మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 12. కనుక 42 plus 12, 54 plus 1, isn't it? Now what is the rank of Ashok here? 55. As Ashok is 55, then Ashok and Gandhi మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? Ashok and Gandhi మధ్యలో 4 members, isn't it? Hence Gandhi, what is the rank of Gandhi? Gandhi's rank is 60. And after this Gandhi, how many persons are there? 4 persons. Hence total 64 persons. Conditions ఇంకొకసారి చెక్ చేసుకుంటారా? Rohan got 29th from the top. 22 plus 1, 23 plus 5, 28 plus 1, 29 from the top. Ashok got the rank which is 5th to the left of Gandhi. Ashok got 5 ranks better than Gandhi. 4 plus 1, 5. And Gandhi is 5th rank from the bottom. 4 plus 1, 5. Gandhi 5th rank from the bottom. As many persons between Rohan and Kavya. Rohan ki Kavya ki majra entamandi unnaru cheppani 12 members. Kavya ki Ashok ki majra 12 members. And Sujata got 19 ranks better than Kavya. Kavya kanna Sujata 19. 12 plus 1, 13 plus 5, 18 plus 1, 19. And so altogether how many persons are there? 64. Then how many students are there in the school? 64, that is choice 3, 176. Then 171. What is the rank of Sujata from the right hand? Right hand nunchi ante ikkada nunchi count cheyali. Ikkada nunchi count cheyalante now 4 plus 1, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 12. 10, 22 plus 1, 23 plus 12, 35 plus 1, 36, 36 plus 5, 36 plus 5, 41 plus 1, 42. Hence what is her rank? 42nd rank. Or else total 64 and minus 23, 64 minus 23 plus 1. Plus 1. And total Japani 41 plus 1, 42. Hence in either way you will get the same answer. 177. Then now in this 178, in a family of 6 members are there. H is the father-in-law of D. H is the father-in-law of D means D is spouse's father is H. H is the father-in-law of D. D is the brother-in-law of B. D is the brother-in-law of B and D is a male brother-in-law of B. That means H and now B is the child of H of a possibility. Inko brother-in-law ante vere family ki vellipotaru mali. 2 possibilities. And B is the aunt of B and B is the aunt of B ante ee vidhanga teesukovali as of now endukante number of persons takku unnaru kada kanuka ikkada oka person undali inkoka person ekkada undali cheppandi aithe H ki spouse undali lekapothe veeliki spouse information not given clearly inka konta information undali ikkada B unnadu BHRD unnaru BHRD kanuka R okadu miss ayipadu and at the same time BHRDF R and F gurinchi manaku information ledhu R ikkadena undachchu F ikkadena undachchu, no information. Hence clear information is not given. Ikkada some information is missing out it seems. Who is the mother of V? Mother of V ఎవరు అవ్వచ్చు చెప్పండి? F అవ్వచ్చు R అవ్వచ్చు. అవునా కదా? F అవ్వచ్చు R అవ్వచ్చు. Then 178. Among the following అంటే R చెప్పచ్చు. కనుక B cannot be, H cannot be, D cannot. Hence among the following అంటే R అని చెప్పచ్చు. కానీ అది కూడా ఇవ్వలేదు. Who can be the mother అని ఉన్నా మనకి చెప్పచ్చు. Who can be అని. కానీ ఈజ్ అంటే డెఫినెట్గా R అని చెప్పలేదు. R అవ్వచ్చు, F కూడా అవ్వచ్చు. And this is why I said that information is not sufficient. Okay? Some more information we need to have. Who is the wife of H అని? Wife of H ఉండాలి ఎవరు చెప్పండి? F or R. కనుక అయితే F అవ్వాలి లేకపోతే R అవ్వాలి. Hence what is your answer here? 179, it is choice 5. Done? Then how is V related with respect to S? Okay, we cannot say anything regarding any one of this one, cannot be determined. And some more information need to be have in this one. Then 181 to 183. 181, what is the question here? 486 271 359. Now this is the digits. 4862 71359. And how many digits are not changed in its place when arranged all the digits in both ascending and descending order from left to right and from right to left. Left to right and right to left. Left to right ascending order lo pettukunte and descending order from left to right and right to left. Right to left nunchi descending order and both are one and the same. Avuna kada? Now ikkada manaki ascending order lo manaki arrange chesam anukondi 1 2 and next one is 3, 4 is also there, 5 is present, 6 is present here, 7 and 8 and 9. All the numbers are arranged in the ascending order from left to right. In both ascending order and descending order from left to right and right to left. If right to left to descending order pettukondi 9876, that will be the same. Then tell me how many digits remain at the same place. In the same place, is there any digit which remain at the same place? 9 is the digit that remain at the same place. 9, 8, 5, 7, 3, 6, 1, 5, 7, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 8. And there is only one remain at the same place. Both ascending and descending order from left to right and right to left. or if you write down in the descending order, అప్పుడు మనకి both ascending order and descending order from left to right అనే ఉండాలి. ఇలా అయితే ఎలా వస్తుంది చెప్పండి. డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అంటే 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1 ఇలా అయితే ఉంటుంది. ఇలా అయితే 9 8 is 1 and 7 and 3 there is 1 more. ఇక్కడ ఇలా అయితే 2 వస్తుంది. డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అయితే 2, ascending order అయితే 1. ఓకే. దెన్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 172. What should come in the following number series? 1 2 1 3 2 1 4. Okay, then start working here. Now 7 ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది. 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Then అందుకన్నా ముందు 6 5 4 3 2 1. Next one 5 4 3 2 1. 4 3 2 1. 3 2 1 2 1. 1తో స్టార్ట్ అయింది. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ దీంట్లో 2 and 1. నెక్స్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ నెంబర్ 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఎంత రావాలి చెప్పండి. 8 and the next number must be 7. 7 is the answer. Choice to 182. 183. Find the odd one out in the given options. 25 36 49 64 81 except 3. Except choice 3, the remaining 25 36 64 100 are the squares of composite numbers. Clear? Now the remaining numbers can be written as squares of composite numbers, but whereas choice 3 is the square of a prime number. Except 183 so 49. The remaining numbers can be written as squares of composite numbers. Okay, 183. The next one 184. 25 into 5 square. It is 6 square. Sorry, ఇంకొక నిమిషం. 5 is not a composite number, right? Wait a minute. Now 5 square ఉంది. As 5 square is there, hence that logic cannot be taken because there are 2 prime numbers and 3 composite numbers. 2 prime number squares 2, 3 composite. అలానే even numbers అంటే 3 and odd numbers 2. Hence it cannot be expressed here. Then 64. Now except 64, the remaining 4 numbers are squares. 64 is both a square as well as a cube. 64 can be written as a cube as well as a square. The remaining numbers are only squares. Hence what is your answer? 183. It is choice 4. Done? Then 184 to 186. Now in this 184 to 186, these are the numbers given here. The first digit of all the odd numbers are changed with the next number. Odd numbers ki first digit next number and it is 9. ఇది ఆడ్ నెంబర్ కాబట్టి ఇది 2 అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇది ఆడ్ నెంబర్ కాబట్టి ఇది 7, ఇది ఆడ్ నెంబర్ కాబట్టి ఇది 4, ఇది 3 and the last digit is replaced with the previous number in the first digit of all the odd numbers change with the next number and last digit is replaced with the previous number. Last digit of previous number into 5 minus 1 4, 7 minus 1 is 6. Here it will be 8 and here it is 0 and here it must be 2. And then arrange all the numbers in descending order from left to right. Then find out the sum of digits of all the numbers. The last 2 digits sum. Last 2 digits sum ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి. 7 plus 4 11 and 11 plus 8 19 and 19 plus 11 28, isn't it? Now ఈ నెంబర్లు మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలా మొత్తం అన్ని తీసుకోవాలా? Now 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 8 19, 19 plus 9 28, 28 plus 5 33, 33 plus 6 13, isn't it? Then ఇది odd number, odd. All these are odd numbers. The first digit of all the odd numbers changed with the next number and last digit is replaced by the previous number and arrange all the numbers in descending order from left to right into descending order. Then find out the sum of the digits of all the numbers. The last digit, only last digit. Last 2 digits, last digit sum. Here 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 8 26 and 26 plus 2 28. 28 it is choice 184. Done? 28 choice 1. 4 plus 6 10, 16 plus 2 18 and 26. 26 plus 2 28. Choice 1 is answer 184. Then arrange all the numbers in descending order within the number. All the digits arrange all the digits in descending order within the number, and then arrange them in ascending order from left to right. Find out the one which is second to the right of fourth from the right hand. Second to the right of fourth from the right hand, and now we need to find out the fourth from the right hand. After arranging all the digits and then arranging in the ascending order. Ascending order fourth from the right. Fourth from the right and take a now here we have some 7 numbers. These 7 numbers, first we need to arrange all the numbers in the descending order or ascending order. All the digits in descending order. Descending order arrange here. Descending order arrange cheste. Now if you have arranged this one in the descending order, now ikademo 8, 7, 5, this will be 7, 2, 1, and this is 6, 5, 3, and 8, 4, 2, 9, 6, 1, 5, 3, 1, and 4, 3, 2. Now among this, the highest one, this is 1, and this will be 2, and this is 2, and this is 3, and this will be 4, and this is 5, and this is 6, and this is 7. Second from the right hand was in Japanese 531. 531 is nothing but 351. Now 351, that is choice to 185. Done? Now all the digits are arranged in the ascending order. After arranging all the digits in the ascending order, then ascending order from left to right, then find out one is second to the right of fourth from the right. Fourth from the right, second from the right, and second from the right, one identify here. Second from the right ante manaki em vastund cheppandi, now sixth number, because this is the highest and the second right. Then all the numbers are arranged in the ascending order or descending order, and then arranged in the ascending order. Sorry, all the numbers are arranged in the ascending order ante manaki second least ravali. Second least ante manaki em vastund cheppandi, yes, ascending order 1, 2, 3, now 4, 5, 6, 7. Ascending order ante highest number 960, and next highest number anta 875. 875 we are getting from where? We are getting from choice, hence 185 is choice. Ivanni ascending order lo arrange chesam. Second from the right ante manaki em vastundi cheppandi, and second highest number is 875, choice 1. Then 186. Before arranging all the numbers in descending order from left to right, multiply all even numbers with 2. Even numbers and even digits అన్నిటిని 2 తో multiply చేయాలి అన్నాం. And odd number multiply with 3. Then find out which one is the fifth from the right hand. Now what are the numbers we have? 875, 127, 356. 875, 127, 356, 356, and 482, 619, 482, and 619. Are the 5 numbers we have. 482, 619, and 351, 243. 351 and 243 are the numbers we have. Altogether there are 7 numbers. Before arranging all the numbers in descending order, numbers anni descending order lo arrange cheyakamundu em cheyali cheppandi, and multiply all even digits with 2. All even digits with 2, it is 16, and this will be 4, and this is 12, and this is what? This is 8, 16, 4, and this is 12, and this will be, and this is 4 and 8. And odd number, odd digit is multiplied with 3. Odd number, the odd 3, and this is 15. Now this is 3, this is 21, and again this will be what? And this is again 9 and 15. Now this is 3 and 27, and this is 9 and 15 and 3, and this will be 9. Now all the numbers will be arranged in the descending order, and which is the fifth from the right. Fifth from the right and descending order ante manaki least nunchi fifth from the right adigaru, least nunchi check cheskondi. Least 481, ఇది ఫస్ట్, ఇది సెకండ్, సారీ ఇక్కడ పెద్ద నెంబర్, అండ్ 489. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 3 digit ఇంకేం లేదు కదా, నెక్స్ట్ 4 digit. 4 digit లో దిస్ విల్ బి ద సెకండ్, అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ థర్డ్, అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ 4, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఇప్పుడు మనకి 5 digit. 5 digit లో లీస్ట్ ఏం చెప్పండి? 16. నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ 6 digit నెంబర్, 9, 15, 21. నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద fifth. Now 356 is the answer, choice 3. Done? then 170, 187 to 190. Now in this 187 to 190, what is the information we have? Humanity, honest, it is based on input and output. Now humanity, honest, sincere 46. Now sincere is the highest. Now first letter తీసుకుంటే sincere S and S. Now these two words in the descending order. అవునా కదా? After the highest word, then the least word breadth, and after this breadth, next highest word regular, next least word honest, next one will be humanity. Clear now? Highest, least, second highest, second least, and so on. ఇక్కడ మనకి నెంబర్స్ 91 హైయెస్ట్ నెంబర్ 72, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 63. ఇక్కడ మనకి 46 and 34 should be interchanged. Then all the numbers should be arranged in the descending order. Okay? Now this is the logic in this one. Now the highest word, ఇక్కడ హ్యూమానిటీ లాస్ట్లో రావాలి కాబట్టి అది ఫస్ట్ అరేంజ్ చేసాం, అండ్ 91 ఇక్కడికి రావాలి కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ. From there onwards 91 shifted to the next position, humanity shifted to the next position. Humanity కన్నా ముందు హానెస్ట్ కన్నా ముందు రెగ్యులర్ కన్నా ముందు బ్రెత్, అండ్ ఇక్కడ 91 తర్వాత 72, అందుకు 72 తర్వాత 63, తర్వాత హియర్ ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి 46, ఇక్కడ 34 and 90. Okay, all the 5 questions are based on the same pattern, and 87 to 190 are the 3 questions given on this. Okay, now this is about input and output. Paper number 68, main 68, question numbers 141 to 190. I hope you people have followed. Thank you for your participation. Let's meet again tomorrow with another paper explanation. Okay.